When a smartphone like the Galaxy A10 shuts down and would no longer power back on, it is often due to a firmware crash, as long as there are no signs of physical or liquid damage. Needless to say, you will be able to fix your phone and make it respond again. You just have to do these simple things. First, check the physical condition of your device. You need to inspect your phone for signs of physical damage. If there are big dents or cracks, then it's possible that those are the cause of the problem. Also, look into the charging port to see if it's wet or has some kind of moist in it. Liquid damage is also one of the most common causes of this issue. After the physical inspection and making sure it's not due to physical or liquid damage, then proceed to the next solution. The next thing you have to do is the forced restart. If your phone powered down not because of physical or liquid damage, then it's probably due to a firmware crash. The best thing you can do about it is the forced restart. It simulates battery disconnect and has been proven to be very effective against issues like this. Just press the power key and volume down button at the same time, and hold them together for 10 seconds. This will force your device to boot up. When the logo shows, release both keys and just wait until your phone has booted up successfully. However, if this doesn't fix the problem, then you should try the next solution. The next thing you should do if the first and second solutions failed, is to charge your phone for a few minutes, and then do the forced restart while it's charging. It's because of the possibility that the phone used up all the battery and the firmware crashed just before the device powered down. So use the original charger and cable in charging your device. Regardless of whether the phone shows the charging sign or not, leave it for 5 minutes or so. After that, press the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds, while the phone is connected to the charger. If this hasn't been due to a serious hardware issue, your phone should be booting up now. However, if this fails as well, then you have no other choice but to have it checked. As far as troubleshooting a smartphone that won't power on is concerned, that's all you need to do. I hope this helps. Subscribe to our channel as we will be publishing more helpful videos.